How to change your quality on Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change your quality on Netflix. So you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. Now in order to change our quality, let's say you have the Netflix application, it's coming visually blurry for some kind of reason. There are a couple of ways that you can do to fix that. The first reason is we'll go to some of the account settings and the app settings as well. So just tap on the profile icon from the top, and here you want to go to the option called app settings. Once you go to app settings over here, you'll be able to see a list of these options. You can see cellular data usage. You can try to set to Wi-Fi only, or you can select maximum data over here. Once you select maximum data, most likely it will fix the blurry issue. If you're using from cellular network, try to switch to Wi-Fi, and if so, then you can also say download video quality. If you want to change the download video quality to high, you can also do so as well. But this is only some of the app settings. The other thing that also comes into factor is the type of plan you have. If you have the basic plan of your mobile, it offers you 480 pixels. If you have the basic plan, it offers you 720 pixels, and if you have standard plan, 1080 pixels. And if you also have the premium ultra HD plan, then you also have the 4K devices option. So in order to see our plan and review them, we will just open up our browser and we will just go to netflix.com. and once you go to netflix.com on your browser, make sure to log into your account, and I'll just show you some of the settings. Tap on the three lines over here and then go to account, and once you go to account over here, you want to scroll down, you'll find the option called change plan. Just tap on change plan. Keep in mind that the higher your plan, the higher your quality is going to be. So you can see the current plan is only 480p, the basic plan is 720p, the standard plan is 1080p, and for premium you can stream up to 4K. And hope this video helped you. As I said, it's not only just the app issue and the net issue, it's also because of the plan. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.